Okay, so terminal integrated experimental use title event. An experimental setting that will use the terminal title event for the drop-down title. The setting will only apply to new terminals. So let's set this to true, and let me show you what this looks like. Actually, this is already the terminal title, so let me set this to false first. Create a new instance of the terminal, and usually this is what you have, right? So if you change this to true and you create a new instance, it's going to this drop-down title is going to inherit from the terminal title. Now let's remove this one, and well, I guess this is a little bit uglier if you have a terminal, if you inherit the title without any scripts running. But actually I just created a little script here, and I added this console log. So if you console log this, prompt command equals echo en for English, I think, and then this special character and some title, you can actually change the title here. So let's give that a try. Okay, access tokens will be expired, whatever, something that the program tells us, but we're interested in knowing this right here. So this changed to YouTube auto upload because it's the name that I gave the title of this terminal. So I actually find this setting quite cool. The only thing I don't like is when you add a new instance without anything running, it has this /bin/bash or slash whatever you have, like ZSH or KSH or whatever wherever the shell that you're using. But actually, I kind of like this because I may have some terminal instances running, and it's easier to distinguish between them if I give them an explicit title. So I'm going to leave this setting set to true.